Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela, and if you're not new here, welcome back and welcome to this very gloomy day that we have here in Texas. I am so sorry if there is background noise of the rain, but it is a little after, well, it's almost 4:30. Looks like it's about 8 or 9 p.m. though, because it's super dark outside, but that's beside the point. I wanted to sit down and film a get ready with me because my husband and I, Dagan, we are gonna go out to dinner and we are gonna celebrate our 6-year wedding anniversary. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's been 6 years. Our anniversary is actually tomorrow, but the restaurant that we like to go to, it's like a really nice steakhouse that we went to last year, and it was like the best meal that we ever had, and so we wanted to go there again this year, but they are closed on Sundays and our anniversary is tomorrow, and tomorrow is a Sunday, and so we're just gonna go and celebrate it tonight. And so I just want to sit down and put on some makeup and get ready with you guys. Honestly, I might end up doing a voiceover for this though, because the rain is so bad. I'm worried it's gonna pick up on the microphone, so I'll probably end up doing a voiceover, to be honest, but I will still be hanging out and getting ready. If you guys are into this kind of thing, be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's get to it. Alrighty, so to start things off, I already did my brows off camera, and now I'm just going to prime my eyes with a little bit of concealer and blending it out with my Real Techniques blending sponge, and then I'm just going to be setting it with a powder. Any powder will do, loose powder, pressed powder. I'm going in with my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance pressed powder. And now I'm going to be whipping out my Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. It's been a while since I've used this palette, which is one of my favorites, but I'm going to start off by going in with Soothe in the matte shade and taking a fluffy blending brush and just buffing that all along the transition area, outer edge, and just really creating a nice transition shade for this eye look. Next, I'm going to be going in with Ritual in Matte. It's just a really nice chocolatey brown shade, and taking a different blending brush, a tiny bit smaller than the original one that I was using, and I am just keeping that on the outer portion of my eye in that V area and just kind of bringing it up into the crease, winging it out, and really blending it in with the transition shade. Okay, so moving back over to Soothe in the metallic shade, I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my finger because I feel like this is how this type of shadow and formula applies best. And I am just going to be rubbing it and patting it all over the inner corner and center part of my lid and just kind of blending it in to that deeper brown shade, which I think is just really pretty. And then I kind of wanted to lighten it up, so I went in with Aura in the metallic shade and just kind of lightly popped that right over Soothe, and I really like how it turned out. Now for eyeliner, I am just taking a black eyeliner. Any black eyeliner will do, and I'm literally just smudging it along my lash line, kind of tight lining, and this is going to create a nice barrier for when I pop some lashes on so that my lashes look a little bit thicker at the base. So just kind of messily smudging it. There's no right or wrong or precise way to do this. So once I went in and curled my lashes, I'm just taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara and running that through my lashes just to kind of lightly coat them. And then I went ahead and put the Ardell Dummy Wispies on the outer portion of my eyes. And for primer, I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer, and I'm just pressing that into the skin with my Real Techniques blending sponge. This is a trick that I have been doing a lot lately, just pressing that pore filling primer into the skin, and I really like how it looks. And now I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I believe this is in the shade 10, and I'm just putting it under my eyes, around my nose, chin, forehead area, and that's honestly all I'm going to be using for a base. I didn't use any foundation in this look, actually, now that I think about it, which I honestly haven't been using a lot of foundation anyways because of masks and all that. I just think it's kind of gross when it wears off into your mask with all the bacteria and everything. So I've been doing concealer because it's a lot less product, it's a lot less cakey, and a lot less transfer proof. Alrighty, so once I was done setting all my concealer, I just went back in with the black eyeliner, lined my waterline, and then set that with a dark brown shadow in Ritual, and then smudged that out, popped some mascara on, and then moved on to the face. Come here. You look so handsome! Oh, y'all, doesn't he look handsome? I know, I gotta hurry up. We're on time crunch. Still gotta do my hair. All right, I love you. Mm-hmm. You look good, babe. Mm. Okay, so after Dagan made his little appearance, I'm just going to start bronzing my face. I'm going in with my Butter Bronzer. This is actually the light bronzer, which I like to use during the winter time just because I am a lot more pale. So I'm just running that all over my face and warming up the outer edges of my face. And this is actually a blush brush, which I have been using for like contour blush a lot lately, like together. And I really like how this brush like works for like multi-purposes. Anyways, now I'm going in with my Honest Beauty cream blush. I believe this is in the shade Rose Pink. Hands down my favorite blush. And going in with, y'all know it, the Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter. I believe it's in the shade Brighten Up. And I'm just using the brush that goes along with it, which is, I believe it's the J01 brush. Now for the lips, I'm just going to keep it super simple. I'm going in with the Maybelline lip liner in the shade Nude Whisper. And then I'm going to be topping off my lips with the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Lust. Y'all already know this shade. I use it like all the time, but it's just a super nude lipstick with a pale like brown undertone. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I got ready for my anniversary dinner. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!